Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Grey-Mantled Albatross for the Call of Fashionwaves event in Heartopia. So they'll be around the Stonecliff area. You have to be very lucky to find one though, because they are a little bit difficult to find. I haven't found one yet, but I'm just going to speed it up and hopefully I find one. If not, then I don't know. But I probably will find one if I upload this video because I'm not uploading until I find this bird. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward it and hopefully I find one in this area because they are a little bit, again, harder to find. And I finally found the Grey-Mantled Albatross. It took me like a few minutes. It took a few minutes to just like spawn there, even though I did go that way. So yeah, that is where you can find the Grey-Mantled Albatross. This is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.